The 2023 Nissan Z pays homage to previous Z sports cars. The past meets present as many styling elements that resemble the original 300 and 240 that everyone grew up loving are incorporated in the all-new Z. Under the hood is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 that pushes out 400 plus horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission will be offered to those that enjoy the purest connection between driver and machine. There will be two-tone color options as well as solid ones like this stunning blue. 3 different interior options will be offered, and the Z's new seat design offers impressive support, anti-slip material, and a slide-reducing center pad. A GTR-inspired steering wheel and a triple pod cluster are part of the redesigned cockpit. The starting price will be around $30,000 with a spring 2022 release. You can see this Z in person at the Houston Auto Show starting today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.